Hi, what are you doing? Hi, what are you doing? Oh my gosh!
Hello?
Hi, my boss! Your window is open! I just see a thief around your car!
Oh, don't worry. Don't worry. I can close the window remote.
Okay.
Car window is closed.
Wow, it's great! Boss, your window is closed now!
Oh, that's good.
Hey, Casey, come in.
Hi, boss! What can I help you?
Can you help me pick up one person in the subway?
Okay, give me your key.
No physical key. With your phone, you can drive my car. Take your phone.
Okay.
Just give me 1 minute. Okay, you can take your phone to drive my car.
Great!
Wow, it's great.
Unlock. Unlock. Open trunk. Unlock and unlock. This one, for example, I want to lift the window. One touch lift window. This one. Knock. Window up. Knock. At the same time, window is up automatically. Then I want to fold down window. Same. Look here. That's great.